Make a great choice today with the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.